Video surveillance as a service, 5 innovative use cases in manufacturing. Imagine a factory floor that never sleeps, cameras watching over production lines, AI detecting risks before they happen. Analytics that improve efficiency. That's not the future, that's XcellCamCloud today. The evolution of surveillance. In the manufacturing world, surveillance isn't just about security anymore. It's about intelligence, compliance, and operational excellence. Traditional CCTV systems required massive upfront investment, on-premise NVRs, and manual monitoring. Today, XcellHost revolutionizes this through XcellCamCloud, a video surveillance as a service VSaaS platform built for the cloud era. What is XcellCamCloud? XcellCamCloud is a fully managed, cloud-hosted video surveillance platform that lets manufacturing enterprises connect, store, and analyze camera feeds from any site, all in one place. It eliminates the need for complex hardware setups or local servers. Cameras connect directly to the cloud through secure gateways, enabling real-time monitoring, AI analytics, and remote access from anywhere. Why manufacturing needs VSaaS? Manufacturing environments face a unique mix of challenges. Worker safety and compliance. Equipment theft and asset protection. Production line quality control. Each of these areas benefits from intelligent surveillance powered by AI plus cloud. Safety and compliance monitoring. XcellCamCloud uses AI video analytics to automatically detect if workers are missing PPE, like helmets, gloves, or reflective vests. When violations occur, the system triggers real-time alerts, enabling supervisors to act immediately. Every incident is time-stamped and stored in the cloud, perfect for audits and EHS compliance reports. Quality control on production lines. Quality inspection cameras integrated with XcellCamCloud can use computer vision to detect defects or deviations in real time. This data feeds directly into manufacturing analytics dashboards, helping identify recurring issues and improve overall equipment effectiveness. Theft prevention and asset tracking. From tools to raw materials, manufacturing sites store high-value assets. With XcellCamCloud's motion detection and AI-based intrusion alerts, unauthorized access is flagged immediately. No need for guards to monitor multiple screens, the system does it automatically, 24/7. Plus, with cloud storage and encrypted video backups, footage is always available, even if local devices fail or are tampered with. Process optimization. Beyond security, XcellCamCloud turns video into data. Through AI analytics, manufacturers can track movement patterns, identify bottlenecks, and improve workflow efficiency. Think of it as video-driven operational intelligence, a new layer of insight that helps plant managers make smarter, faster decisions. Multi-site management. For enterprises with multiple plants or warehouses, central monitoring used to be a nightmare. With XcellCamCloud's multi-site dashboard, users can view live or recorded footage from any facility, all managed through one secure portal. AI and analytics modules. XcellCamCloud integrates advanced AI modules like object detection, detecting human, vehicle, or object types. Loitering and motion analytics. Crowd density monitoring. Security and data protection. All video feeds are encrypted end-to-end, stored in ISO 27001 certified cloud data centers, and accessible only via multi-factor authentication. This ensures manufacturers meet the highest standards of data privacy and regulatory compliance, including GDPR and Indian Data Protection Act standards. Benefits summary. To summarize, XcellCamCloud delivers cloud-managed video surveillance, no local storage needed. AI-driven intelligence from safety to quality. Scalable multi-site control. Want to learn more? Visit our website.